Hello boss, welcome to BZ Repair Machine Factory located in Shenzhen, China. This is our new launch model LV09 BZ workstation. We are checking and taking this machine shipping to our Arabic agent in Egypt company. If you want to order any model from factory, you can contact him and order from him directly. Enjoy the factory price and the high quality good service. Take a look. This machine has 4,000 IR powers. It's really big IR heating areas and semi-auto. Auto pick up the chip or the feeding. LV09 BZ workstation can repair ECU, TV, laptop, computer, and so on motherboard.